Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi Pathshala Online. In today's video, we are going to learn Rashtrabhasha Paper 2, Vache Badlo, which is a very important 6 marks question. It's in question number 8 in Paper 2 of Rashtrabhasha. So this session is definitely going to help you score better in your exam. So make sure you stay with me till the end of this video, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and change all the vache sentences in a super easy and a super simple way. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and classmates so that everyone can learn and benefit from it. If you like to join our classes, you can also contact us through the number shown on the screen or email us anytime. Feel free to drop all your doubts in the comment as well, children. We will be happy to help you. And one more thing, we offer doubt solving sessions and group sessions and personal one-to-one classes for all levels from Parichay, Pratmik, Madhyama, Rashtrabhasha till Praveen Purval to all levels. So all right then, let's begin with Vache Badlo. And before we begin, just don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Means voice, whatever voice we are using, we are just changing the type of the voice from active to passive. To explain the types of vache sentences. So we have kartri vache, karm vache and bhav vache. So in kartri vache sentences, we will always have a doer, a karta will be followed by a ne karak or no karak, or there will be no karak. Now they will ask us to convert it to karm vache. In karm vache also we'll have a karta, a doer, and we have to add after the doer either se, dwara or ke dwara. All the three means the same. We can add any one of them. Okay. So mostly you'll be using say. Okay. So kartri vache to kan vache, find the doer. If ne is there, remove ne and add say. Say. Then we have to see if tenses should not be changed. We should not change the tense of the sentences. For example, let's see Ram khelta hai. Ram here is the doer. Here no say is there, so in passive voice we'll just put Ram se. Khelta hai will become khela jata hai. Ram se khela jata hai. Second is ladki gana ga rahi hai. Ladki gana ga rahi hai. So it will be ladki se gana. This is gana, children. गाना गाया जा रहा है. लड़की से गाना गाया जा रहा है. So in both the sentences, we are not changing the tense. Now let's go to the sentence. Sentence here is Ram पाठ पढ़ता है. Ram पाठ पढ़ता है. Ram is studying chapter. So here the doer is Ram. We just have to put say. Ram से पाठ पढ़ता है will become पढ़ा जाता है. राम से पाठ पढ़ा जाता है. Ram is studying chapter. The chapter is being read by Ram. Okay, that is how we convert in passive voice. Second example, Ram कहानी पढ़ता है. Again, the doer is Ram here. Ram कहानी पढ़ता है. Ram से कहानी पढ़ी जाती है. पढ़ता है will become पढ़ी जाती है. Now here पढ़ा जाता है and here पढ़ी जाती है only because कहानी in Hindi they have taken कहानी as a female. कहानी पढ़ी जाती है. So that's why instead of कहानी पढ़ा जाता है they have written पढ़ी जाती है. Okay, no other difference. Okay. Third example, हम हिंदी सीखते हैं. हमसे again the doer is हम. So हमसे हिंदी सीखी जाती है. सीखते हैं, सीखी जाती है. We learn Hindi. Hindi is being learnt by us. Okay. Next example, पिताजी कविता लिखते हैं. पिताजी कविता लिखते हैं. So doer is पिताजी. Again, पिताजी से कविता लिखी जाती है. लिखते हैं will become लिखी जाती है. Same tense. We are not changing the tenses. Next sentence, माताजी खाना बनाती हैं. माताजी खाना बनाती हैं. So doer is माताजी. माताजी से खाना बनाया जाता है. बनाती है will become बनाया जाता है. माताजी से खाना बनाया जाता है. बनाती है will become बनाया जाता है. Okay. So we'll stop here because this is our revision time. I don't want to make the video very long. and I also want to revise whatever we have done so that it is clear to you all. So the given question we have is हम गेहूं ज़्यादा खाते हैं. Find the doer. Our doer is hum here. Hum. So after hum we should find if any karak is there. It's not there. So if it is not there, we'll just put the say. Let us see in which sentences we are having say, hum say, and here also hum say is there. So this sentence is removed. Now हमसे गेहूं ज्यादा खाते हैं has become खाया जाता है. Okay. हमसे third option is हमसे गेहूं ज्यादा खाते हैं. So we can simply make out our correct answer is हमसे गेहूं ज्यादा खाया जाता है. Okay. Answer is A. हमसे गेहूं ज्यादा खाया जाता है. Okay, now let's go to the next option. Suniye, Pitaji kalam lai. Here, doer is Pitaji. So after Pitaji, we should put say. Let us see in which sentences we are having say. The first one is Pitaji ne kalam lai. So this is not there. Then Pitaji se kalam lai gai. Now here say is there. Pitaji se kalam lai gai. Okay, we can see this. And Pitaji se kalam late hain. This also we can see. Now kalam Pitaji lai gai. So this for A and D is out. We have to choose the two options. See, पिताजी से कलम लाई गई, कलम लाते हैं. So lie will become लाई गई, not लाते हैं, because it change our tenses. So our correct option is B. पिताजी से कलम लाई गई. Father brought the pen was brought by the father. We have is अध्यापक हिंदी बोले. अध्यापक हिंदी बोले. सही कन्वाच्य चुनिए. So here what is the doer? अध्यापक. So अध्यापक के बाद we have to say. First option अध्यापक से हिंदी बोली गई. हिंदी अध्यापक से बोली गई. So there is no say here. Third option अध्यापक हिंदी बोली जाती है. No say here. So हिंदी से अध्यापक बोले गए. So very clear here. No say after अध्यापक. So the three options are out. Only the first option. So our first answer is अध्यापक से हिंदी बोली गई. So teacher spoke Hindi. Hindi was spoken by the teacher. So please stop the video, find your own answers, and then check the answers with us. So Tulsidas ne Ramayan likhi. The fourth option. Tulsidas ne Ramayan likhi. So here ne is there. We just have to strike the ne karak here. Okay. And we'll see the options now. Tulsidas Ramayan likhi. So no say is there. So this option will strike out. Ramayan se Tulsidas likhi gai. So this also will strike out. Then Tulsidas se Ramayan likhi gai. Here say is there. So this we can consider. And again the fourth is Ramayan Tulsidas ne likhi. Again this option is not there. So we got the correct answer as C. Tulsidas se Ramayan likhi gai. Likhi will become likhi gai. Okay. So the last question of our revision test. So गांधी जी ने देश की सेवा की. गांधी जी ने देश की सेवा की. इसका सही कन्वाच्य क्या होगा? So गांधी जी ने, he is the doer here. गांधी जी ने, so we have to strike out this ne and put say here. Okay. गांधी जी देश की सेवा की गई. This is not there. गांधी जी से, this we can consider that गांधी जी से देश की सेवा की गई. We will see. The third option we'll see देश की सेवा गांधी जी ने की. So again ने is here, so this we can strike out easily. देश की सेवा गांधी से, देश की सेवा से गांधी की गई. So say is before Gandhi ji, so we can also strike this easily. So easily we got our answer. गांधी जी से देश की सेवा की गई. सेवा की, it is the past tense. So सेवा की गई, it is also the same tense, past tense. So the correct answer is गांधी जी से देश की सेवा की गई. I hope students, you can just see the results on your own. You can honestly see the results on your own, so that you can find out whether you have to move further or again go back and watch this video again. Okay. So if you got full marks, excellent. Scope, one mistake, it's still good. And if you've got two mistakes, so please go back and watch the video again. Try to attempt the revision test question again. So after doing this, only you can move to the next part of our video, which will have further more sentences. Students, I don't want to make the video very long, so that's why I have divided the Vache Badla portion into separate portions. Okay, so please subscribe and share this channel so that you can get a notification for all the upcoming videos, the second part of Vache Badla, and furthermore notifications for other part of the grammar of Rashtrabhasha, Praveshika and other levels. So please subscribe and share this video about this channel to your friends and classmates and as much as you can. Thank you very much. Bye.